Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about something that every beginner faces: errors. Don't worry, errors aren't scary. In fact, they are our best teachers. Let's break down the most common Python errors and how to fix them. First up, the most common error is the syntax error, which happens when Python doesn't necessarily understand your code structure, such as if I write print hello world and I happen to forget the parentheses, then this is going to be a syntax error. The syntax error, parentheses was never closed. Just to fix syntax errors and like these, all you have to do is make sure you always double check your punctuation, like parentheses, colon, quotes, indentations, all that. Make sure everything is perfect, or else it won't work. Even the tiniest little detail, like forgetting that. Oops, I forgot. Yep, words are in syntax error. The second error that we're going to talk about is the name error, which basically happens when the variable that you're using, like Python doesn't know it. Like if you misspell it, like age is equal to 18, let's say that, and then you do print age, you misspell it, you'll get syntax error. See, name, oh, I mean, sorry, not syntax error, name error. Name error, name age is not defined. Alright, the, th the third error that, okay, also to fix that error, just make sure your variables are spelled correctly and have been created before you use them. Use correct variables. The third type of error that we're going to learn is type error. Type error happens when you try to mix incompatible data types, such as like strings and integers. We can keep the age equals 18, and let's do print you are let's say, yeah, like this. This is going to be the type error, since you are trying to combine both strings and um, integers. See, type error. To fix this, if you want to do something like this, you can you can just you can convert it into a string by adding str and putting age in parentheses. So basically what this does is it converts the integer into string format. See, and now you are 18 years old. The fourth type of error that we're going to learn is going to be the value error. Value error happens when you give Python the wrong type of input, such as, let's say, age is equal to integer hello. This is going to be a value error because you're giving it the wrong data. Oh, no. See, value error, invalid, literal for integer, because integer is numbers and you put in a string. To like always like double check the data you're working with, and try and use try and accept blocks to handle this safely. The the fifth type of error that we're going to talk about is zero division error, which basically happens when you try to divide something by like zero. Right? If I do, uh, um, all right. If I do print 1/0, this is going to be zero division error. See? Divided by zero. Python can't divide by zero. Like, Python just can't do it. Dividing by zero is going to be undefined, and it will always give you an error. Just check your denominator before dividing. You can simply, you can add a simple like if to check and avoid it. And that's basically it. These are some of the most common Python errors, and now you know how to fix them. Drop a comment below if you run into any of these and how you overcame it, and also let me know what Python topics you want me to cover next. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a Python tip.